Welcome to the English and Spanish course by Jude, Angus.
Bienvenido al curso de español e inglés de Jude, Angus.
Lesson 11.
Lección 11.
Monday.
Lunes,
Monday. Tuesday.
martes,
Tuesday. Wednesday.
miércoles,
Wednesday. Thursday.
jueves,
Thursday. Friday.
viernes,
Friday. Saturday.
sábado,
Saturday. Sunday.
domingo,
Sunday.
Por favor, suscríbete, dale me gusta y compártelo con tus amigos.
Please subscribe and like this video.